display. Paramount to the Fit's design idea is the curved touchscreen. Don't worry, it didn't go anywhere. It's back with the Gear Fit 2, vibrant and shiny as ever, although slightly reshaped. This rectangular display is now wider than before, offering more screen real estate for fitting in additional information. That means extra words in a notification, a more robust media player, and a full map of your run provided by the built-in GPS function, to name a few use cases that take advantage of it best. The Super AMOLED touch-sensitive display found here is a bit smaller than before, 1.5 inches down from 1.84 inches, but it boosts the pixel density up to 322p, which trounces the original's 245p display. The bezel surrounding the display has also seen a reworking to its benefit. It's been reduced, giving the Gear Fit 2 a more edge-to-edge look. Unfortunately, this move cuts out the shiny visual elements of the original Gear Fit, if that was your thing. Now, the Gear Fit 2 can gulp down electricity through its charging dock. It's still proprietary, but more forgiving because the dock allows you to rest it on any which way to get a charge. It takes zero effort to line up these pins, and the screen activates in landscape mode to affirm that charging has begun. If a wearable isn't comfortable, there's very little motivation to put up with wearing it. Thankfully, the Gear Fit 2 feels sublime. The Gear Fit 2 fits onto your wrist in a similar put-the-plug-through-the-hole manner to that of the original Gear Fit, but tacks on a strap loop to make sure things stay put during exercise. The means of ensuring comfort here are nothing new or out of the ordinary, but the silicone band just feels good to the touch. And, this might sound gross, but each day that I slept, showered and eked sweat into the band, the less I noticed it on my wrist.